But all of you are young, all of you are talented. And usually these kind of pet projects that we say, you cannot visualize more than one. Even if this becomes a reality, it's at a scale what was never conceived before. And it's at a scale where the entire country is actually looking at us. Even at country level, such an endeavor was never attempted. At this scale. We're talking about 28.30 lakh houses coming up in this colony, and 17,000 layouts. We actually have 13,000 and odd gram panchayats now currently. We're talking about 17,000 layouts, and some of these layouts are more or less municipalities. They're on par with municipalities. So this kind of scale was never attempted. This kind of situation also was never conceived. 4 are very important, which actually touch the common man at a regular level. Pensions, house sites, ration card, and then Arogyasri. This is regularly every person needs them. So to deliver these things in a stipulated time manner, it can be done what we've shown. On a saturation mode, we've already seen it. It can be done. So now whatever is left out is probably very little. But only thing is, we should make sure that we are on toes, so that whatever is left out also is not left out. If somebody is deserving, somebody applies for a house site, within 90 days, we need to give them the house site. This is the challenge. So bring in transparency into the system, bring in quality into the system. All of you need to apply your mind on quality aspects. If we were to stay in those houses, what do we look for? Would we compromise on that quality? That kind of thinking should come into your head, because they have entrusted their faith on us. So everything what we do, just please make sure that there is some attention on quality, because these people are counting on us to deliver. So quality is the equally important aspect, transparency and quality. And both these things, please pay attention. And other than that, focus on time frame. The only way within a particular time frame, results would come only if there is planning. So until and unless there is planning involved in the whole strategy, you will never have a situation where you can execute the work on time. All the very best. And, I think you're in perfectly safe hands.
ఈ వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.